Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can put videos on your Wix.com website. So once on the dashboard here, go on to Edit Site. On Edit Site, once here, let it load for a bit, give it a second. Once here, go on the left-hand side, press on Add Elements. On Add Elements, scroll down and go to Video and Music. Click on Single Video Players. And then click on this. And now just adjust it to wherever you'd like. If you want to change the video, hover over it and then click on Change Video. Here you can upload your own video if you like. Press on your computer and then click on Change Video. And then click on Upload Media and then click on Upload from Computer and then upload whichever video you like from here. If you want to do YouTube, for example, just click on YouTube, click on Search Videos, and then just search whichever one you'd like. I'm just going to search music, search, and then I'm just going to pick whichever one. I'm going to pick this one, add, and now you have the YouTube video on your Wix.com website.